Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Umidigi X, at the first you have to go for your clock application, then you have to move for the left upper corner on the alarm, then we can activate one of them. I will go for this one, and if you want to customize you have to click here. At the first we can change hours and the minutes by moving this sticker. Next we can set a repeat, maybe let's go for the Friday. We can adjust vibration, change ringtone. And also we can add label. Click OK, and as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.